Everyone, hope you all are doing fine. This is Pradeep Dhani. So guys, in this video I will try to explain 15 point. If every CMA student should take care of these 50 point, I assure that CMA journey will become easy for those CMA student, either he or she. So guys, yes, if you take care these 50 point, I will assure that you will easily clear your CMA exam. Okay guys, based on my experience, based on my journey, and based on my experiment, I will tell 15 point. So take care of these points. First point guys, I will suggest you that in CMA journey or in any journey, every person has different mind, every person has different perspective. So it is my humble request, my first point is every CMA student should make his own strategy. Okay guys, I you can you also believe that everyone has know himself or herself better than anyone else, so prepare and make your own strategy. Okay guys, if you follow this one, I can assure that this will benefit a lot to you. Second one guys, while you are studying and while you are completing your course, make your summary notes. Guys, this is a very important, make your summary notes or make your handwritten notes. This will be benefit when you revising 30 days, remaining 30 days, or last one day strategy. This will benefit a lot to you. So I will assure and I request to every CMA student should maintain herself or himself handwritten notes, which is beneficial for last day revision and last 30 days revision. Okay guys, I have noted down the points which is in front of me, so I can read. I can read for you, and you will get benefit from this. So third one, guys, guys, the important point which every CMA student forget about this, guys. It is my humble request. Please read the examiner comment. You can easily get from the institute website examiner comments. He advise every CMA student ki which CMA examiner wants from student. If you read at least last 1 year or 2 year examiner comment, this will benefit a lot to you. So guys, third one important point. And fourth point guys, more and more practice for past year paper, PTP, MTP, RTP, and mock test paper releases by institute time to time, or from last month institute may release the model test paper. Follow those paper, it will benefit a lot. Okay guys, and the important thing which every CMA student or every professional forget about, the importance of revision in CMA. I can assure that CMA is very easy course, but I can never say that it is easy than 10th or 12th. It is not possible that it is easy, but it is not tough. I am assuring you that. But revision must needed, at least 2 or 3 revision needed. But if someone has more than time, more revision, more you will go for rank. Okay guys, but 2 or 3 at least require for clearing CMA exam easily. Okay guys, hope you understand. Next point, please limited use of social media. Limited use of social media guys, if you can try to use limited use of social media, there is a lot of benefit, but as well as you know that there are a lot of like Netflix, Disney Hotstar, lot of many web series. If you can try to reduce, you can watch 1 or 2 as per your convenience, but try to limited use of social media. Social media are destroying our life day by day. We are spending more time on social media. So guys, try to reduce the uses of social media. Okay guys, hope you understand this point. And writing practice, which is more important guys. Maybe as you know that key, maybe it offline or online, yes, there is a suspense for CMA student, but as you know that key mock test paper, as you know that I have heard from the recent examination, online examination, most of the students are telling me that they are feeling problem in theory, writing theory. So as you know that mock paper is the one of the source for practicing more and more. So more practice, if we are going for online or online examination or offline examination, more practice needed to clear or to make CM examination easy. Okay guys, and most of the people think that ki professional examination like CA, CS, CMA is hard. I can assure that with following these points, these strategy, these courses will become very easy. I can never say that ki it is easy than a 10th or 12th guys, but yes, I can say that it is not tough as we are assuming or thinking guys. Okay guys, and while we are following the journey of CMA, most of the student put into dilemma कि is CMA has a scope or no or not. Guys, CMA has a scope, but our first priority to complete as soon as possible CMA. If we are taking too much time on CMA, this will become a problem for us, guys. So we need to try. Yes, guys, we have a lot of scope for CMA, but at least you need to focus on study. Yes, guys, I have also felt the same ki, during my CMA journey ki whether there is a scope for CMA. Just focus on the study and complete as soon as possible, and lot of scope available for CMA. So guys, remember this thing again. And next point is that key optimum utilization of time. Guys, we have a limited 24 hours from which we need to lot of work like sleeping, and we have to complete our course. So we need to make the strategy and optimum utilization of 24 hours. And okay, guys, and the important point for all CMA student, whether we need to complete the 100% course. So guys, I can on my personal experience, I never touch my 100% course and clear my CMA attempt easily. So it doesn't matter ki whether you are covering 100% course or not. Try to, whatever you are doing, you have command over it, whether it is a 70% or 80% or 90% or 100%. Suppose if you are doing 100% but you are not comfortable, then there is no uses of doing 100% course. If you are doing 60%, 70%, but you have a command over it, then you can easily clear your or crack your exam. So hope you understand this point. And the next point is, yes, guys, while we are taking classes, coaching classes, we have a issue, or we put into a dilemma whether we need to go for a best teacher, or suppose we are taking a classes of accounts. One teacher is charging 20,000 per subject, or one the same teacher for same subject is charging 10,000. So guys, I request you that ki every teacher is the best. You just go to YouTube, see his or her demo lecture, and select based on your convenience. If you are liking any teacher, just go for, whether it is a, if you have a problem in financials, so you can buy the, if the teacher is providing low cost. So guys, based on my experience on my journey, I have such kind, I have a facing the problem of financials, so I go with the low cost teacher, but it doesn't affect my study. I have completed CMA easily, so no problem at all. Okay, guys. And okay, guys, and for those student, guys, if someone is taking too much, he's doing attempt and not completing CMA, guys, do not worry. Everything take time. We have a patience on it. Okay, one day you will become CMA. If you are taking too much time, doesn't mean that ki you will not become CMA. After completing CMA, attempts doesn't matter. Yes, in campus there is some privileges to those who completed CMA in less attempt. Okay, guys, so do not worry attempt, but just focus on these three magical words, CMA. And yes, if you believe on yourself, you will get these three words. Maybe it will take some time, you are taking too much time as comparison to your friends, but yes, after all, both will become CMA. So hope you understand this point. Do not worry about this. Okay, guys. And yes, guys, if you are following strategy, maintain the consistency. But I can never say that you not enjoy your personal life. Go to family function, enjoy holidays, enjoy festivals, but do not disturb your consistency, your timetable allotted to per subject, and enjoy your family function, festivals, which is needed for us human. Okay, guys. And last point, we have to maintain our personal life or professional life. As I said that in earlier time, we have need to allocate that time per subject. We need to allocate the time, and after devoting the time, in the remaining time we have to enjoy. We can watch web series, we can watch movies, cricket, whatever we want to spend on YouTube, on Facebook, whatever we want, but we have to follow the strategy or timetable which we have maintained. Okay, guys. So guys, hope you understand these 15 point. If you follow this point, I can assure that you can easily clear your foundation, inter, or final in one attempt. If you are taking too much time, do not worry about. After all, completing CMA, you will get three magical words. Those who have completed in first attempt, those who are taking too much time, after all, you will become CMA. So guys, I do not want to take too much your time. So if after watching this video still in your mind have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. I will surely help you, and hope you are enjoying. That's all about in this video. Keep studying, keep enjoying, and keep growing. That's all. Thank you so much, guys.